Hi, it's Alan here again in my garden in Thailand, and we seem to have acquired a swarm of bees. Now I don't want to get too close because I'm not a great lover of bees, but aha, right, there they are. Very dark in there, a bit difficult to see. Now I don't know if you notice, just there's a moth, and we've been told by locals apparently that moth is after the honey. God knows how it gets in there without getting stung to death. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, I've got to get away from there. I don't want to be stung to death. I just had a few fly out at me, and one of them chased me. I don't suppose they're too serious. They do say they don't normally sting, but I think if you get near the nest and they think that you're attacking the nest, yeah, they're quite likely to sting. Ooh. Anyway, that moth, apparently, locals have told us that when they see that moth, because there's plenty of swarms in the jungle. First time I've seen one here, and of course they're just a swarm. They don't have a hive. They don't make a hive because their woodworking skills are not up to much. But locals who actually hunt and collect honey, dangerous job, they say that when they see that moth, that means there's honey ready. So good bit of local info there, very interesting. Anyway, I have no interest in honey. It is, after all, just more sugar. And sugar, I have cut all sugar from my diet. Sugar damages your blood vessels and arteries. It's sugar that causes heart attacks. We've been lied to all these years. They told us that it was red meat and animal fat that caused heart attacks. Well, it's a lie, because they wanted to sell more vegetable-based, plant-based products. It's sugar, and that's why some diabetics have to have a foot amputated, because the blood vessels have all been killed off, all dead, which leads to infection that you can't combat. So no, and I've actually eliminated a lot of things from my diet, and surprisingly enough, I started to get arthritis, truly, in my right hand, and my thumb was so painful I couldn't bend it. But that's all gone now, so we can cure arthritis. I shall leave a link at the end talking about that, but same with diabetics, we can cure that as well. It's not really a problem if you go about it in the right way. Anyway, sugar is a no-no. This moth is called the death's head hawkmoth. What a name! It sounds like one of Hitler's SS death squads. And it's got this skull on its back. It's quite amazing how it evolved to have a skull on its back, I don't know. But they're nocturnal, and they feed on nectar and pollinating flowers and whatever. They're also known for raiding beehives, which is what I've just showed you. And apparently they can get in at the honey by using a chemical disguise, so that the bees don't quite understand what's happening, what they are. And when threatened, they can actually make a noise, a shrill squeaking sound, by expelling air through their whatevers. They can actually scream. Amazing, really. Obviously they produce caterpillars. And yeah, so that's quite interesting. I thought, I've never seen a death's head hawk moth before. It's quite a name, isn't it? Anyway, thanks for watching. If you've ever seen one, let me know in the comments. If you've got any questions about them, I can always find out for you. Just let me know. So, as I say, thanks for watching. I'll see you again. Have a good one. Bye. I will continue to bring you unusual and beautiful places in Thailand, but only if you subscribe. So do me a favour, hit that subscribe, costs you nothing, there's no charge and there's no comeback, just subscribe for me. Cheers, bye.
Gonna make you feel good.